We will talk about how can you fix this problem on your Globoplay app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you this like this here. So then all you have to do, so you just go down here, keep going down, click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Globoplay app, or just click on search. Then here at Globoplay app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, click on for stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to Play Store, click on it here. Then here you search for Globoplay app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.